Hey guys, welcome back to Huffler Garage. Today we're taking a look at my 2000 BMW 323 Ci. When I first got this car, it was not white. It was blue, and a beautiful blue. We'll put up some photos into the video so that you can see what it looked like before. But what happened was it got stolen, and a week later it was found by the police. One of the people that stole it, their neighbor called the police on them because they were painting such a nice car. So it came back white and practically mutilated. And I've already started sanding on it some. You'll see in a minute the whole driver's side of the car has been sanded, and I've started working on the passenger side. And the hope is that we will get it back blue someday. So, and hopefully you'll get to see that progress happen, along with some other updates and repairs that we do along with it. So. Alright, so as you saw in the walk around, the bumpers have been painted black, and they've been painted with a type of rubber coat, and they painted the aluminum rims black as well. And some videos you'll see, in later videos you'll see where they totally ripped the airbox out, painted the shifter blue, and as you saw earlier, they busted, I don't know what they backed it into, but they busted the rear tail light. So hopefully you'll get to see us changing that out as well. So a few other issues with the car is that the drive shafts wore out, the suspensions wore out, which it has over 250,000 miles on it. So ain't no reason anything should be wore out, is there? So it's good fun, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.